Hi guys, you might remember I picked this one up in a charity shop last year, 2023. It's just an ordinary toy grade radio control, very underpowered, looks interesting. It's a very lightweight body, but inside it's very underpowered. I was running it on I think I ran it on a 2S, I can't remember. Yeah, 2S battery. It's supposed to have 7.2 volts in there. The battery was obviously missing when I bought the car and the remote control. But we did run it on that 2S. It goes, but it's, yeah, dramatically underpowered. So what I plan to do this year is upgrade that to a 3S and replace the controls in it with this lot that I've ripped out one of my old conversions. So we've got a 160 amp, I think that's what 160A stands for, ESC, that as you can see was running on this motor in here. Nice big chunky, is that 9996? Well, a good metal gear servo. We'll put that on the front for the steering. And what have we got in there? That's a FlySky receiver. So that's all bits ripped out of one of my other conversions that I've retired, obviously. So we'll just see if we can stick them in there. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.